Don't be cruel, teddy bear, dancing hips and long black hair. Old friend, you crossed my mind today. Las Vegas Hotel, Graceland, sweet young daughter and a million fans. Old friend, you touched my heart today. If I listen real close in the still of the night, I can hear your voice saying you're alright. Close my eyes, open my soul, touch the king of rock and roll. Old friend, it's good to feel you once again. You shook us all up, you loved us tender, caught us in a trap, we all surrendered on. Oh yeah, loving you. Don't betray me now. I'm falling in love with you. I can sit down, put your records on. 7 sad years are suddenly gone. God, you were young, it doesn't seem fair. Would you be here if I could have been there? Old friend, my heart's crying once again. Trapped here on earth, your mother is free. A lonely pain we refuse to see. Old friend, you touched my heart today. Old friend, I'm missing you once again. I'm missing you once again.